Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolls with wheat flour. First, gather your essential ingredients. About 3 cups of wheat flour, active dry yeast, a touch of sugar, salt, and warm water. It's crucial that your water is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit to properly activate the yeast. Begin by mixing all your dry ingredients thoroughly before slowly incorporating the warm water. This ensures an even distribution and a consistent dough. Once your ingredients are combined, a shaggy dough will form. Turn this dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Now, the real work begins, kneading. You'll want to knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. This process develops the gluten, making your rolls light and airy. The dough should transform from sticky to smooth and elastic. If it feels too sticky, add just a small amount of flour, 1 teaspoon at a time. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for approximately 60 minutes. It should double in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Next, divide the dough into about 12 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth, round ball. Arrange these shaped rolls on a prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each one for their second rise. Let your shaped rolls rise for a second time, about 30 minutes before baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. They should sound hollow when tapped. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video. Enjoy your warm, homemade wheat flour rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.